What is energy conservation? Energy conservation is reducing consumption by lifestyle changes and technological fixes. The difference of energy efficiency and conservation is energy efficiency means to use less energy to perform the same task, basically to eliminate energy waste. Energy conservation is to not use energy. For example, turning lights off in an unused room is energy conservation, while switching to more energy efficient lights such as LEDs is energy efficiency. Some also distinguish the two as energy efficiency refers to using technology that requires less energy to perform the same desired task or function as other high energy using tools. Meanwhile, energy conservation is any behavior or deliberate action that results in the use of less energy. The main difference is that energy conservation is a conscious effort that requires a change in how a person behaves or acts. While energy efficiency does not require any of these changes, it only requires changing the technology that is used on a daily basis. Methods of energy conservation. Turn things down. Given that energy cannot be created or destroyed, energy conservation is about conserving it rather than eliminating it. One of the most effective methods to conserve energy is to turn things down that requires a lot of heat or energy. Heating a home or office takes a lot of energy, and even turning the thermostat down by a degree or two can create energy savings and equivalent to taking several cars off the road. The same goes to water heating. Using cold water for regular tasks, for washing dishes to washing clothes, will conserve a lot of energy over time. Turn off and unplug. Some things are better to turn off completely as they use energy even when not being actively used. Appliances such as televisions, stereos, computers, and more also draw energy from the power grid when unplugged into a wall even when they are shut off. To reduce energy usage, make sure these devices are completely unplugged and not connected to a power source when not in use. Do it yourself. Using human power instead of a device to do the same job will help conserve energy. This could include walking or biking instead of driving whenever possible, using a hand saw instead of an electric one. Why is energy conservation important? Energy conservation is incredibly important for several reasons. Along with reducing our reliance on non-renewable energies, such as fossil fuels. It also helps saves money on energy costs, including utility bills and other energy bills. Conserving energy also cuts down on expanding development where natural resource extraction, such as oil or lithium, is impacting natural areas. When we conserve energy and use it more efficiently, we directly reduce the amount of greenhouse gas emissions entering the Earth's surface. Energy Efficiency and Conservation Act, Republic Number 11285 of 2018 is to institutionalize the energy efficiency and conservation, enhance the efficient use of energy, and grant incentives to energy efficiency and conservation projects. Energy Efficiency and Conservation Act, Republic Number 11285 of 2018 targets to improve average specific energy consumption yearly by at least 1%. In terms of standards for appliances, the DOE shall, in consultation with the DTI-BPS, require manufacturers, importers, and dealers to comply with the minimum energy performance standards and to display the energy label showing the energy requirement and consumption efficiency of products on their packaging and on the products themselves among designated machinery, equipment, and appliances. In financial incentives, the DOE shall endorse projects that utilize pioneering energy-efficient technologies to the Board of Investments to avail of incentives for a period of 5 years upon the effectivity of this act. Such incentives shall include tax and duty-free importation of pioneering energy-efficient technologies and income tax holiday. Programs in the Philippines regarding energy conservation and efficiency. Number one, Power Patrol and Road Transport Patrol. The campaign was to promote wise and efficient use of electricity using trimedia of print, radio, and televisions. Seminars on energy efficiency improvement are conducted for the commercial or industrial sector where energy conserving measures for equipment operation and technologies are discussed. Number two, energy utilization, monitoring, and evaluation. Determine how the energy utilization, performance, and energy conservation activities of these companies, programs, and investments have been implemented and improved over the years and how these compare with the sectoral industry performance. And monitoring visits are also conducted to verify data reported by the companies and to assist them in filing up the required reports. Is the Don Emilio Abelio Award. Don Emilio Abelio is the chairman of Meralco way back 1973. This award is given to outstanding companies and energy managers who have undertaken or are responsible in implementing energy efficiency and conservation programs to achieve substantial savings in their energy consumption. Fourth, as always, energy labeling and efficiency standards. The energy efficiency standards enforced jointly by the Bureau of Product Standards and the Association of Home Appliance Manufacturers to reduce energy consumption in residential sector. This is to implement the energy labeling and undertakes energy performance testing and certification of specific household appliances and energy equipment in the implementation of the energy standards and labeling. Well, thank you.